What's going on? So today we are in Mexico, Tijuana to be exact, and we are going to help you not be able to get scammed. There are a bunch of scams out here in Mexico that you need to be aware of, and if it's your first time traveling to Mexico, then this is the video that you are going to want to watch, so stick around because you're going to learn a lot of information. One of the things that a lot of people in Mexico try to do is they'll try to double charge you, and so what they essentially are trying to do is they're trying to get twice your money or whatever you order. So say you order, you know, hey, I want, a small beer. They're gonna charge you for a large beer. Also, another thing I want to talk about is the pharmacies. The pharmacies here, they do have drugs that you can buy here that you wouldn't be able to buy in America, like Xanax, Percocet, Adderall, different kinds of drugs like that. So you can't bring those over the border. It's illegal to do that, but you are able to buy them here. So
my advice for driving, there's some parking lots that you have to pay. Those are usually safer than parking on the street. I've been here a million times, so I park in front of the police station. I've never been broken into or had my car stolen because I think it's pretty safe there. If you don't know where the police station is in Tijuana, then I would recommend there's off of Revolution, there's a place to purchase your parking spot. A little more safer there. Yeah, some advice I would have for you is don't look all touristy like I do. Don't want to stand out, just to kind of keep a low profile. They obviously know that you're a tourist, but make them think this isn't your first time.
okay, so here in Mexico, you're gonna have a lot of different trinket shops and a lot of different shops that have pretty much exactly the same thing. But what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to haggle with them because everyone has different prices, and I know it sounds crazy, especially if you're from America, that to haggle a price on something, but it's true. There are literally a bunch of people all over here who have the same exact thing, and yes, their prices are high because they know that you're a tourist. Now, if you see something and you think you can get it cheaper, you might as well just haggle with them because they're gonna appreciate you more in the long term anyways. So, when you're in Mexico, Tijuana, Rosarita, anywhere in Mexico, don't be afraid to haggle. They'll even respect you more if you do. Every price that they tell you is not set in stone, and also search around. This place might have it significantly cheaper than another place. Make sure you do your homework. What's your favorite part about visiting Mexico? Because you've obviously visited Mexico more times than anyone I know.
¿Qué pasó? Doing good.
He's the rich people.
He's a rich people.
Come on, sir.
Not even. How much? 20 pesos? I only have pesos, man. I'm Mexican. 400 pesos. No, that's more than 20.
When you buy the dollars, 400. When you sell the dollars, it's 360.
Ah.
Okay, give me 360.
I don't need it. I got gold.
How are you, senor?
Senor, I got mine. It's okay. It's nice. Hey.
Okay, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Hi.
Hey.
Okay, only because on the video,
You're on the video.
Cover 20. Just kidding. No, sir. Mira, amigo. Come.
Hey, I'm looking for a girlfriend.
My sister.
Your sister.
I got my sister. Hey, cuidado.
Yes.
I'll show you what.
Tell me what.
I want to feed my kids.
I do too. He's my kid.
Give me $10.
10? I don't need them. I don't wear them.
Give me 10 for present for somebody.
No,
Baby.
where's
I got my license. Right here.
Let's say 925.
Right here in the class. 9 to 5 and right here 9 to 5. Check it out. Check it out.
I believe
I
you.
need money to feed my kids.
I know. I need money to feed him. He eats a lot.
Mañana.
Gracias. Adios. All right. So living here, it costs about a third less than what it would cost in the United States.
Yeah.
So everything. I have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment, block away from the beach. $600 a month for. In the States, I looked at in Ventura, near the beach, $3,500 a month. So,
and how far away are you from the beach?
I'm 1 block away, literally 1 block away.
literally one block away from the beach.
Yes.
It's pretty crazy.
Yes.
So this is the coconut juice. You get the coconut. It's really rad and cool. And then afterwards, they actually cut up the coconut and then you eat the whole coconut. So first you drink the juice, the coconut juice. It's amazing. It's like fresh, super fresh coconut juice. And then they go and cut it up with a bunch, you know, they have chili, lemon, all that kind of stuff. So if you're near the beach and they have fresh coconuts, you gotta try them out. They're amazing. And like I said, you gotta haggle them too a little bit too, because they're gonna try to, yeah, 50 pesos, $3, fresh coconut. Doesn't get much better than this. It's pretty great. But cheers, I'm gonna eat this. This is awesome. Well, that's our day. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me in Mexico. A lot of fun stuff to do. If you've never been here before, highly recommend you check it out. And yeah, just remember it's a third world country. So yeah, the currency is gonna be different. What you're gonna eat is gonna be different. And you just wanna make sure that you're safe. And I know it can be intimidating, but you know, I hope today changed your mind. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the day. We showed you a lot of cool stuff, and what better way to end it than a awesome ocean sunset view here in Tijuana, Mexico. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, follow, like, check me out on social media because we got a bunch of cool stuff that we're going to show you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.